Since Roman times, men have adorned themselves with scents and fragrances to attract the attention of beautiful women. Indeed, what every man wants to know is whether or not there's a magic scent he can use to attract women with ease. In the world of fragrances, a chemical compound called Hedione, first used by Christian Dior in their iconic fragrance Eau Sauvage, was found to stimulate an area of the brain in women responsible for the release of sex hormones. Hedione is now found in many well-known fragrances like CK1 and Acqua di Gio. There is, however, another type of smell that's even more powerful and effective than Hedione. I am, of course, talking about testosterone, or, more precisely, androstadienone. Androstadienone is a pheromone derived from testosterone, naturally found in men with high levels of testosterone. So how exactly does androstadienone work, and what does it do? A fascinating study published in Nature Neuroscience found that female mice, when exposed to the smell of dominant alpha mice, underwent a form of neurological change after only 2 days. After being exposed to alpha mice, the female mice would refuse to have anything more to do with the other beta, omega mice. The brains of the female mice had essentially been rewired to attach and mate with alpha mice only. There is evidence to suggest that women react much the same way after being exposed to the scent of alpha males. Androstadienone also has another powerful effect on the female brain. Exposure to androstadienone has been found to trigger cortisol in women. This cortisol release can induce euphoria, shed inhibition, and reduce uncertainty and psychological concerns regarding a sexual partner. Another study published in the journal Hormones and Behavior found that women who were exposed to androstadienone for approximately 15 minutes would become subtly more attentive, aroused, and happy. It's also advisable to include garlic in your diet, as a team of researchers in the Czech Republic discovered that men who regularly consume 1 to 2 cloves of garlic a day smell more attractive to women. Garlic contains many antioxidants that improve the body's metabolic functioning. These antioxidants reduce body odor, and garlic's powerful antibacterial properties help kill off strong-smelling microorganisms, while boosting the body's immune system at the same time. Another study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that men who use a scented fragrance in day-to-day life feel more attractive and confident compared to men who don't wear any fragrance at all. In the study, the researchers recorded silent video of the male participants either wearing or not wearing a fragrance. The researchers then showed the video footage to different groups of women. The women all rated the men who wore a fragrance as more attractive than the men who didn't wear any fragrance at all. Even though the women had no way of knowing from watching the video whether the man was wearing a fragrance or not, the researchers claimed that the men who wore a fragrance must have acted more confident and thus appeared more attractive on video.